back, guys. So I have this gorgeous blonde bob, which I'm so excited to put on today, of course, from rpghair.com. Today is their Cyber Monday sale, so I want you guys to go ahead and make use of that, because listen, it's just a whole sale weekend. The code for this wig is BCT13P, all caps, all right? And the length of this is 12 inches. Want you guys excuse my mannequin. Oh my gosh, I need to give her a makeover. I'm gonna do that soon. Probably I should film that, I don't know, but yeah. So I'm going to put all the specifications on this wig in the description box as usual, so you guys can go ahead and check it out, as this is a wig I'm gonna be wearing for the weekend. So I'm gonna do just a light, you know, pluck in the front. It's already pre-plucked, so literally you don't have to do any extra plucking, but you guys know how I am.
Original Batman. It's
as you can see, this is a center part wig, but I've been wearing center parts a lot since lately, and I want to switch it up, so I'm going to put this in a nice side part, and it's not gonna be too deep. I want to do this before I go ahead and apply it, and of course this lace is the improved lace.
Say she give me me thing so. Whine it me, girl say she whine it me thing so. Move your body me thing and whine it me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it me thing so. I not bad man and they want to say. I she not bad man, they want to fail.
For this one, as you can see, it's so nice. I pulled this straight out of the packaging. I didn't do any extra customization than just the plucking that you see. I did just know. That's literally all I did to it. I didn't go in with any purple shampoo or anything to tone it. I feel like personally, the tone of this is fine. Usually I would want to go in and tone it down because it's probably a bit too yellow for me, but I'm fine with it. Like, I really love the color. I'm just gonna put some really nice loose waves in it, but this would be so bomb straight as well. So I'm just gonna do that with my flat iron. This is the flat iron I use now, the Nano Titanium by Babyliss Pro. It's really good. It gets really hot. It goes up to 450, and I really like it. So I'm just gonna use this to give some very loose waves.
It's V-Kills.
Original Batman. Standard. Original Batman.
It's V-Kills.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I not bad man and they want to say I she not bad man, they want to fail. Say she give me pon me heart.
Remember, you have to definitely cut down the ear portion so it sits comfortably above the ears, and as you can see, this is way too long for this. I'm really have to.
Bad man and they want to say I she not bad man, they want to fail. Original Batman. African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley, me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. We changing style with the girl, system warning. Alright, me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't see a baseline, live night. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me, I waste like I mean a bad man, they want to say I mean a bad man them want to fail. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so. I ain't a bad man and they want to say. She ain't a bad man, they want to fail.
Look at that guys, that is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the lace. I really love that technique of laying the lace because it is, usually it's melted in there, don't get me wrong, but it is like, I'd say 10 times more melted in the skin. So as you can see, I really didn't do much plucking. You know, it was very minimal. I might go back in at another time when I feel like I want more graduation. And as you can see, this is so nice. It feels so good. So I'm literally just raking this through because I want that little voluminous. I'm gonna probably put, I'm gonna put a little bit of layer in the front here.
Whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so. Whine it for me thing so. I ain't a bad man and they want to say. She ain't a bad man, they want to fail.
That really just helps everything to fall really nicely. I really love this guys. So that's it for how I slayed this gorgeous blonde bob today. It is just so gorgeous. I love the movement. It is so nice, so nice. Like, it's soft, silky, and you saw that the only product I used in it was the Got to Be Just Delay, the parting area, and it's really flat and nice and just natural looking. I prefer doing darker roots over straight blonde from the roots. That's just a lot for me, like a lot of pressure. I've done it before, but it's just a lot. But I really love this. Look at that movement, is just bomb. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumb up and check this wig out on the site if you want to get this or any other wig you've ever seen me worn. Like, go ahead and make use of the Cymber Monday sale right now, and don't forget to use my discount code PETITE-10 and SUE15 on all orders over $100 US. Alright, so you can get your dollars off. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today guys. That is it. I really just wanted to show you guys this really nice bob. That's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, go and big up on yourself and stay tuned because it's Vlogmas. So go on over to PETITE-SUE TV right now. Check out my first Vlogmas episode. Alright, later, bye, tomorrow.